Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add an income in FreshBooks. So first of all, you have to log in into your account. Obviously, for this particular task I've decided to use my Fresh account. So it's very easy. Let's say you are in the dashboard, so this is where you land once you log in into your account. And on top right corner is this pretty nice green roll-up window, and we are gonna add other income. So let's go with source. We can go with Shopify, for example. Categorize under online sales. Amount, let's go with 500. Let's go with euros, but you can obviously change the currency, the date, and also you can add a tax. Let's go with normal tax, and since it's 20%, so it's gonna be 400, and you can add more taxes. For example, the tax that it's gonna that's gonna take by, for example, Shopify tax amount, 100. So then we can just save it. Income from Shopify has been added. Way to go, your books are looking fresh. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.